We do have some heavy rainfall potential here in South Florida overnight tonight and into tomorrow morning as this cold front pushes to the south. Little mini meso-low here, we call it, that's dropping down to the south too. A lot of rain and storms with that. And then, of course, all this onshore flow with the front coming in. Really a lot of moisture out there, a lot of lift keeping it going. So there could be some flooding, especially on the Treasure Coast right now. And then as we go farther into the night, this will move down into Palm Beach County. Right now, just a little bit, that one little storm that sat over Wellington for a while caused that flood advisory. It's gone now. It's just drifted off and falling apart and a little bit more to the south. This here is pretty steady just north of Sebastian in the Brevard County near Melbourne. This will come off and on here in the Sebastian. We have some just offshore Vero too that will come on in. So be prepared for some heavy rain overnight. Temperatures right now, we're looking at the 80s. There's a warm day out there, upper 80s to near 90. Look at the models bringing that rain into Palm Beach County as we go later in the nighttime, and then another burst coming by Monday morning before finally the drier air moves in Monday night and we'll see the skies clear. And after that, it'll just be a spotty, quick passing shower for the middle of the week. The humidity also drops, not a ton, a little bit, but you'll be able to tell, especially in the evening and the morning, it'll be a little bit less humid for Tuesday and Wednesday before we go back up there by Thursday and Friday. Rain chances will be high again overnight tonight through tomorrow morning. We drop it for those couple of days, then bring it back up as the front migrates back up to the north and brings high rain chances back into the picture. All right, still three named storms here. Beta, Teddy, and Wilfred is on his way out there, just a depression now. Here's Beta, expected to come on shore there in Texas and then meander around. Could be a big flooding concern for northeastern Texas. And we have Teddy out here too, coming close to Bermuda, but not quite making it to Bermuda. It's going to stay to the east this time, but it could impact Nova Scotia and Newfoundland there out in eastern Canada as a big extratropical storm. For us, the cold front plus Hurricane Teddy, big time northeast swell. It showed up today. Tomorrow we're going to add wind to it. That's going to be like a big storm surge that's going to push all this water. So anything along the coast, the beaches will be pretty much gone at high tide, and high tide is around noon and midnight. So keep that in mind. Seas running 10 to 15 feet. We have that now. Small craft advisory, gale warning for the Treasure Coast at the moment. High surf advisory, 8 to 10 feet. There were some big ones out there today for sure, but it's going to be a mess the rest of the week. Coastal flooding too, that big surge coming in, and then major beach erosion is going to be a problem because this is going to be a persistent day after day after day of this here. Look at the buoys, 14, 16 feet out there, and the wind is howling too. Gusts to tropical storm force at the outer buoy there. All right, elsewhere in the tropics, that little meso-low, the Hurricane Center highlighted it just in case, 10% chance. And then this is the remnants of Paulette may come back towards the east, and they have a medium chance for that. All right, so, but those won't bother us. So small craft advisory can just very dangerous boating the next pretty much all week long. It will be really dangerous. It was a beautiful day out there today. It was just a light wind, so the inland waters will be fine. Now that's gone because the wind is really going to start cranking. Seas will be 10 to 15 feet. The beach forecast, it will be very dangerous in the water. I know surfers were out there today, but the next several days it's just going to be a mess with strong onshore winds. 7-day forecast, high temperatures in the mid-80s, lows in the mid-70s. We do get a little bit less humid just in time for the first day of fall. We stay windy to breezy all week, so it'll feel nice with the lower humidity. Then we bring rain chances back at the end of the week.